Let's open up this gaming monitor from Gigabyte. Here's what you get right when you open it up. It comes with 3-foot power cables for 3 different plug adapters. I did not expect that. We're in the US, so we'll be using this one. And then it comes with a ton of cables. Now this monitor is wall mount compatible, but I am going to be installing it on the stand. This is the base. It's super sturdy. It's heavy duty metal. I can feel the heft to it, and it's pretty straightforward too. It just has this one screw that's going to be screwed in. Now here is the base of the stand. It really does simply hook right in the bottom like that. And then you twist it tight. Now you could use a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver on this, but you can also simply tighten it with your hand, which is all I'm doing. And that's it. The monitor is gonna hook on right here. The last pieces on the top are the installation guide and the warranty. Here's how the monitor comes. It wants me to add on the base before I pull it out of here, and it's very, very clear on that. It said I must follow unboxing steps to avoid product damage. So it says carefully open this, and then I'll add on the base. But before I do, I want to show you the back of this monitor. It is beautiful. Right here is where I'm going to be connecting it together in just a moment. Down here we have power, what I would assume is a security lock, 2 HDMI ports, DP, USB-C port, headphones, network, and you have 3 USB-A ports, 3.2s. And then over here you have 2 buttons. This is a multitask button, and this is your power button, but it's also a toggle. So these help you control your monitor. Let's put it together. So now let's connect the base to the monitor. All I do is pull up the button on the back of this plate, and it takes out the teeth, and then once I put it in place, I put that down and it'll lock it in. Good to go. Let's do this. It's a beauty. Now, before I get too far into the monitor itself, I want to point out a couple more things on this back. Now that the monitor's on it, it has enough weight that you can control where you want the monitor to be. And you can also take out this plastic piece. And now you can move the monitor where you want on that back plate. And that's how easy assembly is. We plan to use this with an Xbox, and we're building a gaming console that will use it as well. So we were definitely looking for a monitor that could handle both uses and look great in all use cases. This is what it looks like. I'm playing an Xbox game right now, just the intro video. I really love the matte finish on it. It just looks so good from every angle. It doesn't really reflect. It is just gorgeous, really bright, vibrant colors. And we love it because we can use it for our Xbox and our computers, and it looks so good.